Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make paper cutout effect on Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open up Canva, and when you're here, you have to go to Untitled Design. You can select any design that you want, and here I'm going to search. Oh, wait a second. Where did my design go? Okay. Now here, if I want to add something, what do I need to do? I'm going to go here and search for portraits. Elements and then portraits. Sorry for that. Photos. You can select any portrait that you want. Now let me just resize it. Okay, so once we have done that, okay, we're good to go. And the next thing that we now have to do is we have to click here on background removal. That will remove the background from this photo. Okay, here we go. The next thing now we need to do is we have to go to elements and search for paper. This one seems good. Okay, let me just resize it. And then we have to click on layer and send to back. Here you go. We can also, if we want to, edit it and increase with clarity. Here we go. And then we can download it. I guess I downloaded it in PDF, but I guess we're gonna need a photo format. I would say JPEG. Okay. So we have downloaded it. What do we need to do now? We can delete it. And then in uploads, we can add. Here you go. Let me just resize it. Okay, now what do we need to do? We have to go to apps and select choppy crop. And then what do we need to do? We have to select the corners of this image. And then we have to join the last and first point. And here you go. We're good to go. Add to design. Okay, now what do we need to do? We have to delete this previous one. And then let me just resize it. The final thing that we need to do is we have to go to elements and we can choose an awesome background for it. Grunge. And this one seems good. We need to add the background. Layer. Soon to back. And we're good to go. Here you go. Now we have this paper cutout effect, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.